Leave a message? What in the world?
She's looking for Donnie.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. It is late. I am so sorry.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
I'm sure you did. Don't do that again, because I'll call the cops on you. This is not your house. You don't live around here. I should probably, you on camera, if you care to know. Stop stealing people's stuff.
Check this mob boss out. Sounds like he came to collect.
Who are you looking for?
Nick.
He's not there.
Not where?
I don't know where he's at.
Not where?
He's not at my mom's house.
Okay.
What
Where
do
do we
you
come back
need?
from?
Huh?
You talk to him.
Well, he's not here with me.
Okay. Tell him Mike and what's called magic came from.
Okay.
Alright, we'll be back in a while too.
Do you own a lawnmower? I said, ma'am, do you own, it's Stephen King, do you own a lawnmower? Huh? Okay.
¿Qué? Se acabó con eso de los peces.
Hi, how's it going?
You got a fire outside.
Hi, what's up? Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's a fire. It's outside your lawn.
Don't forget to lock those bikes up or try to bring them inside.
Hey, don't take that. That's not yours.
Hey, can I help you, boss? What the fuck you do in my house? Piece of shit! Fuck you! I got you on photo.
This couple comes into this yard claiming that they left a bag in here. How would a bag be there? Who knows?
Hey, you back there?
Hey,
Who is it? Hey.
Hey, my friend took me here the other day. I don't mean to look in your backyard. The gate's open, so I didn't know if, and it was closed when I walked up, but it opened. My friend brought me here the other day. He was I'm so sorry for being like this, but he was a black fellow. I don't remember his name, but he may have my friend's bag in his car.
So I just got back from being with my parents for the 4th of July, and he said that he had a friend that he was
in the morning.
that he
I
was
don't know
close
who
with.
your friend could be, but there's no bag in there.
Okay.
It had fish on it.
It had her house keys.
It has everything that I own in it.
We'll get a hold of him either way. It's okay.
Thank you, and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It is late. I am so sorry.
Sorry, we didn't know it was that late.
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
I apologize.
I really need a ride to get back to my friend's house so we can smoke.
Ain't nobody trying to give you a ride to go hit your rocks up, bro.
Hi, Donnie. It's me.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Leave a message? What in the world?
She's looking for Donnie.
I'm looking for Donnie. Donnie and Angela.
Angela?
Donnie and Angela, yeah. Am I in the wrong house? Yeah. Okay, I'm looking for Donnie and Angela.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. These door wigglers are always around.
What do you want?
I'm here to meet someone.
Huh?
Get the fuck out of my yard before I kill you, bitch.
Check this guy out. I didn't think he would be able to break this door down. I guess that's that crack strength.
Oh, hi.
This is security individual seen by the glass door. Disarm the system or leave the property immediately. If not, we will dispatch the police.
Yeah,
Where you are?
I'm just trying to get my keys, G.
The owner of this video claimed that this guy was looking through her children's window after checking if this door was locked.
What?
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please be safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.
Hey, I'm the neighbor. I think I threw my key in your backyard.
Don't forget about those other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from just in case. Holiday season's coming up real soon. If you know you have a food delivery coming, try to stay on alert. You never know who's watching. Anybody can come and snatch your stuff.
Hey, you just took our food. Somebody just stole our food. Hey, give it back. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Call the police.
We saw that.
is this third floor? I don't even
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.